with purpose. So, first, ako nga pala si Mary Angel Viadnes. This is Angel Obarco, and ang sa pangkauban, which is si Hikaro Pastrano. So, can you please introduce yourself and tell us your position?
I am Maureen Menes, an SK Kagawad here sa Barangay Patag. And isa ko sa committee sa livelihood.
Thank you. And how long have you been serving as an SK officer?
More than 3 years and a half.
3 years and a half, okay. What are your main responsibilities in the barangay or the community?
Sa committee ay sa facilities is submit ng budget proposals for events, organize events, and then address of mga concerns and problems sa mga youth. And also collaborations with the community sa ilang mga gusto ng mga programs.
Thank you. And also, this is about the community service or like ang mga programs about the community. So, what programs or projects have you implemented for the community?
Not alone, pero kanang naa ko yung mga kauban ng SK Kagawad na collaborate.
What programs or projects have you implemented for the community?
Some kay naman give yung mga coordinations with my other SK members. First is katong mga listening pattern, mental health awareness, drug prevention, and have also basketball, volleyball, and then also itong mga outreach programs na here.
And next is, which program has had the greatest positive impact?
Pinaka-greatest impact dyan is kato siguro sa education na nag-lend yung hand sa mga kids na ganang mga tutorials, and also we also have given them mga materials needed for their schools.
So why is it the greatest program na siya yung greatest positive impact?
Since makita man yung may lang progress from ang matunganga ng program is each year. So year 1, ito nagsugod, and then pagka year 2, makita na mga progress ng mga kids na just like progress in reading, writing, and reading comprehension. So dato na unibalan nga nakato siya ang pinaka na ay big nga impact nga program natin na organized here sa barangay.
So, ako ay how do you identify the needs and concern of the resident of youth?
Ina-identify na mga concerns sa youth. Before, kay doon na sila, kung minsan ilang magulan, like, kada zone is naaman dyan yung mga zone leaders. Also, kami is, dili naman mi sa isang ka-zone intang ang mga SK Kagawad, so magulan dyan nila. But karon ang among build zone is officers for each zone, so that dato na sila magulato ng mga officers para kanang organize kumbaga ng mga concerns ba. I had it sila mag-dual here sa among office para ako sila ma-address na.
What are the biggest challenges you face to service the community?
Biggest challenges is ma-successful or not ang imong event is naagad sila yung maingon. Even though ka nag-address mong tarong ang ilang mga concerns, ilang ka ng feedbacks on that programs, naagad dyan ko sila yung wala ang pinaka-biggest challenge. Either way, ilang hindi ako ng mga concerns sa ilang.
So, next, how do you handle conflict or compliments from residents?
But as much as possible, pinapasabot sila na prizes, ganun din sila kung mag-join ba. And then, ano lang dahil, kumbaga, continuous na program, like, dili siya on this year, dili na tama yung program, but each year, dapat tama siya ka ng ibalik-balik so that, ay kanil ka ng, na-enjoy ka ng, kumbaga, stand ang SK niya. Hindi kami siya, kanina year, nila din yung ginabuna, so, dapat ka ng continuous na program doon.
Next is how important the community cooperation in the successful of Young Ayor program. What important is community cooperation in the successful of your program?
Important siya, it's because kung wala kay ka ng community magod, kung walang community, asa man na mo siya i-serve ang aming program na i-build. So, very important siya kay para makabalugi nga kung kani siya is effective ba sa ilaha or not, and then if amo ko ba siyang ipadayon or not.
Kani siya question is about the mission sa leadership. So, namin prepare ng 3 questions. So, first is, what qualities do you think an effective SK officer or barangay kagawad should have?
First is responsible. Siyempre, really ka responsible sa una mo pagka communicate with your members, communicate with the community, tapos kanang leader bitaw jud na kanang ginadyo ka nga as a leader. And then, kuan po, kanang reachable. Dili lang, it's because kuan ka kanang a leader ka in your barangay, dili diso na kay reach. But as much as possible, kailangan reachable ka sa mga tao, sa mga youth, especially sa youth, and to your members. Ano na siya, muna siya two important qualities of being a leader.
So, next is, what motivates you to continue serving the community?
Makita ko man dyan na ko kulang pa dyan ang among mga ipang-implement here sa barangay. So, kaya mas encourage ko na mag-do a better job with my responsibility as an SK para mas progressive pa ang mga youth here sa atong barangay.
Next is, can you share a situation where you had to make a difficult decision as an SK officer? What did you do and what was the outcome? Can you share a situation where you had to make a difficult decision as an SK officer? What did you do and what was the outcome?
Pinaka-big o greatest decision na akong nag-make na very difficult yun is kung mag-stay pa ba ako as an SK kagawad. Daghan kayo issue SK council because kanang nagkaguot na siya, it's because naay ka ng mga reklamo from the youth and na. So yun nato ng mga time is the ano na po ba, wala na lang if magpalahin mo pa po kasi on my personal life maapil na ba madamay, but then anak sa self is mag-continue na lang po since dili lang man para sa akong gagalingon, para man sa community ang dapat na kung so kung kailangan pa ako sa community then I will continue to serve for them. So ang outcome is continue serving the youth para makita nila na kanang makita nila na dili para sa mga weekends ang SK kagawad.
Good evening. Ako ay si Carol Castran. This is a future plan question. What project or improvements are you planning for the barangay in future?
So, future projects is the planning to continue sa mga environmental na mga projects like trash bins, kung saan na mo pag-gather ang mga youth para mag-clean the community voluntarily, and then also sa education, ang may padayon ang mga tutorials, ang katong mga
message or advice would you like to share with the youth and community members?